The universe is mysterious, vast, forever expanding, and often downright weird. From invisible matter that shapes our universe to mysterious void, here are five of the strangest things in our universe you've probably never heard of, but won't forget once you do. Number five, the wow signal. For 72 seconds, the universe may have been calling us, and we missed it. Detected on August 15th, 1977, the wow signal is an extremely strong narrowband radio signal that lasted 72 seconds. The signal had characteristics expected from an intelligent source, and no natural or man-made explanation has ever held up. The follow-up searches found nothing, as the signal never repeated again. The signal originated from the constellation Sagittarius. The string 6EQUJ5, commonly misinterpreted as a message encoded in the radio signal, represents in fact the signal's intensity variation over time, expressed in the particular measuring system adopted for the experiment. The signal itself appeared to be an unmodulated continuous wave, although any modulation with a period of less than 10 seconds or longer than 72 seconds would not have been detectable. After ruling a lot of scientific explanations, such as a natural astrophysical source, passing comets, or terrestrial interference, a possible explanation of the wow signal could be an extraterrestrial form of intelligence that deliberately produced the signal. Number four, time dilation near black holes. Time dilation near black holes is one of the most mind-bending phenomena predicted by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. Time dilation refers to the fact that time passes at different rates for different observers, depending on their speed and gravitational environment. Black holes are where gravitational time dilation becomes extreme. Let's start from the top. A black hole is a region of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. The immense gravity warps the fabric of space-time around it. As you get closer to a black hole, time slows down relative to a distant observer, while from your own perspective, time feels normal. To someone watching you from far away, it looks like you are moving in slow motion. The event horizon is the point of no return. At this boundary, time appears to stop entirely for an outside observer, while from your perspective, you cross it in finite time. From far away, they'd see you freeze and fade out. The best example of this phenomenon can be found in the movie Interstellar, when the crew lands on Miller's planet, which orbits close to a black hole called Gargantua. Every hour on that planet is equal to 7 years on Earth. Time dilation has been experimentally verified. For instance, GPS satellites need to adjust their clocks to account for both velocity and gravitational time dilation. Number three, neutron stars. Formed from the collapsed core of a massive star after a supernova, neutron stars are some of the most extreme and fascinating objects in the universe. What's left behind after a supernova is an incredibly dense sphere, about the size of a city, with more mass than the sun. To emphasize how dense a neutron star can get, let me put it this way. A sugar cube of neutron star matter weighs around 1 billion tons. The magnetic field can make a neutron star spin at mind-blowing speeds. Incredibly, a variant of a neutron star called millisecond pulsar spins at around 700 times per second. Imagine an object in space spinning at that speed. Neutron stars are extremely important to our knowledge of the laws of physics, as they offer conditions that cannot be found anywhere else. They are the center of some of the most exciting discoveries in modern astronomy. Number two, Boote's Void, also known as the Great Nothing. It is one of the largest and most mysterious empty regions in the known universe. It's a vast spherical area in space that spans about 330 million light-years across, but it contains almost nothing. About 60 galaxies instead of the expected 2,000 plus. Compared to the average density of galaxies in the universe, this region is shockingly empty, and it challenges the uniformity of matter distribution predicted by the Big Bang. The void was first discovered in the 1980s and has fascinated scientists ever since. No one is entirely sure how such a large structure could form. It may be the result of multiple smaller voids merging, or it could be evidence of processes in the early universe that we don't fully understand. Some theories even suggest evidence of multiverse interaction or alien engineering. It's like someone deleted galaxies from the map of the universe. Number one, Dark matter. Dark matter is one of the biggest mysteries in the universe. It doesn't emit light, absorb it, or reflect it, meaning we can't see it directly. But we know it's there. How? Well, when scientists observe galaxies, they see stars moving much faster than they should based on the visible matter alone. Something invisible must be adding extra mass. This something is called dark matter. It makes up around 27% of the entire universe. There's 5 times more dark matter than ordinary matter, and yet we've never touched or seen a single bit of it. It doesn't form atoms, stars, or planets. But without it, galaxies wouldn't hold together, and the universe would look completely different. Scientists are still trying to solve the mystery behind dark matter. They're using powerful detectors deep underground, massive telescopes, and even data from the early universe to search for clues about dark matter's true nature. It could be made of entirely new kinds of particles that haven't been discovered yet. As a civilization, we have spent tens of millions of dollars and have not detected a single dark matter particle. Since the wealth of the world is more than $100 trillion, we could only assume that a gram of dark matter would cost thousands of trillions of times the total wealth on Earth. Space is vast, mysterious, and honestly, a little terrifying. If you enjoy diving into the weirdest corners of the cosmos, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending space stories every week. Got a favorite space mystery? Drop it in the comments. Maybe it'll make it into the next video. Until then, keep looking up. You never know what's out there.